Namaskar, welcome to our week 6 and day 2. How are you all doing? I'm sure you all are enjoying your workout on the ball, and yes, now you must be feeling really comfortable doing any kind of exercise with the ball. Okay, so what is our exercise for our day 2? Now, in this exercise, we will be sitting over the ball and gradually walking forward till the ball supports our mid back and the pelvic region, and then we will be walking back again. So that is our exercise for week 6 day 2. Before moving on, let's see our exercise preview. So here's your exercise preview. So now we have seen the exercise that we would be performing. So it is the time for mental imagery. So close your eyes. Imagine yourself sitting comfortably and strongly on the ball and slowly moving your feet forward till you go further and the ball moves up in your mid-back region and your pelvic region. Now slowly you will move back and come to the sitting position. Very nice. Okay, so this whole exercise is all about keeping a good control over your abdominal muscles, over your leg muscles, and at the same time control over your breathing pattern so that you are able to comfortably walk, or I would say you would be gliding over the ball and you will be coming back. So it is walk in and walk back over the ball. And in this exercise, we will be doing only one set of 10 repetitions. Alright, so time to start your exercise. Here we go. To do this exercise, sit comfortably on the ball and inflate it to the level where you feel very stable. Now let your spine be in the neutral position, cross your arms and slowly walk forward. Be slow and gentle, keeping a full control on the ball till you achieve a tabletop position. Once you are in a tabletop position, lift your chest up and walk back slowly. Try to push your hips back with your knees. Once you have established your rhythm, keep walking slowly forward. Achieve the tabletop position. Lift your chest up completely and then walk back. Again, try to walk forward with the full control on your body. Move further once you feel more comfortable in a deeper tabletop position where your ball supports your upper back and the neck region. Then walk back slowly. Again, keep breathing out, contract your abdominal muscles, your pelvic floor muscles, attain a tabletop position and keep walking back. Make sure your moves are very gentle, very slow and in a well coordinated pattern. Walk forward, attain the tabletop position and then slowly walk backwards. Move further, slow steps, keeping a good control over the ball, attain the tabletop position and then, as you can see, extend your knees and push back from your hips. Once you do that, you can walk back. This is another strategy to help you to get back to sitting position. Take large steps, keep pulling your body further down on the ball. Attain the tabletop position, stabilize your hips, stabilize your spine and then straighten your knee. Slowly move back, straighten your knee, push your hip back and then walk back. So whichever strategy that works good for you, you can try with that. Just make sure your movements are well coordinated and under your good control. Attain the tabletop position, extend your knees, push your body backwards, push with your hips, come to the sitting position and walk back. Try doing it for 10 repetitions. Fantastic! I know it would have been really difficult to go ahead with this exercise had you not been doing your previous week exercises. But we have built our abdominal muscles, we have built a good breathing pattern, we have built a good coordination in our muscles and breathing. That's why we are able to do it. So don't forget to keep practice and keep acing all your moves. With all these good wishes, I say goodbye.